Jodi and Wade Sjolie described the Sanford Roger Maris Cancer Center at Perham Health glowingly.
It is a godsend.
Oh yeah, this is top notch.
10 years ago, on the eve of his 50th birthday, Wade found out he had multiple myeloma, an incurable cancer of the blood.
What a present. At first they indicated with a chart basically that I had probably 3 years to live. Now with the advancements in the chemotherapy, I've lived 10 years and I don't see an end in sight.
Wade is doing well now, but his cancer does require constant treatment, including a blood draw every Thursday and a chemotherapy infusion every Friday. For years, his wife Jodi drove him 3 hours round trip from Perham, Minnesota to Fargo, North Dakota for treatment. But now that trip is just 2 minutes each way.
I tried to explain to people that coming to Perham was the biggest relief since his chemo started. And it probably sounds like, oh, it's not that big of a deal, but it really, really is. I have to, work it out with work, and it's a whole day to Fargo. And if we have anything else going on, you just have to go.
Even when Wade was switched to a new type of chemotherapy, Sanford Health made sure that people like Sjolie Goodman, a nurse practitioner in oncology at Perham Clinic, would still be able to treat him.
The RNs and the other staff working here in the infusion center went up to Roger Maris in Fargo to be trained, so they have the same amount of training as the nurses up at Roger Maris in Fargo. And so it's really just kind of an exact replica of the skills and sets that they have up there.
The great people at Sanford and Fargo trained somebody in here so Wade could come back here again. And we are so thankful for that.
The short commute also means a great deal to them because of the constant treatment Wade will need the rest of his life.
A lot of people take a treatment for 3 months, maybe 6 months, up to a year. This does not end. Wade doesn't get to ring that bell ever. The treatments don't end. If the treatments end, that means the fight is over.
Now, no matter what the weather is like or what they have going on at work or in their personal lives, the Sjolies can go right down the road from their home for the best treatment in the region.
It's just great that the Perham community has a facility like this with the advancements and everything, and we're keeping up right out here.
In Perham, Minnesota, Jason Anschutz, Sanford Health News.